Hey guys, hope you're well. My name's Ivan. I run Odenics, an AI automation agency, and today I just want to show you this site here, Apify. Basically, Apify is just full of APIs that you can use for scraping data from pretty much anywhere you can think of, be that Google Maps, Instagram. It's great for lead generation, great for finding out information, whatever. Let me have a look at one of the scrapers and just see what we can do. So we'll have a look at the Google Maps extractor. So it will cost $6 to do 1,000 results. So I won't do 1,000 results today, but we'll see what we can do. If we set the location here to London, and we'll set the type of business to marketing agencies. Now, hopefully, if we run that, it should now generate me 50 London-based marketing agencies. It might take a little while, but it will work. This site's cool so you can integrate different whatever automation sites you might use, be that Make, Zapier, N8N, whatever. And here you go. By looking through Google Maps, it's generated me 50 marketing agencies based in London. Now, I could have set the type of business or the location to whatever I want. So let me try one more. Go to the store, try Instagram. Humans of NY, if I use a different Instagram. Whose Instagram should we do? What's Kim Kardashian's Instagram? What's the URL? It's just instagram.com/Kim Kardashian. And let's scrape her post, see what happens. Once again, might take a minute. It's been a little bit slow. Hopefully any second now we'll get a load of posts. The data of various posts scraped. Don't know exactly what information it will give us, other than the post and the caption and stuff like that. It might give us a little bit more than that. Come on. Here we are. So you can see it generates the pictures, the caption, the number of comments, the dimensions, the first comment, number of likes, the music, song by Skims. Maybe we'll do one more. let's just run that with the generic information, see what it comes up with. Got anything yet? Nope. Output 2. Oh, it started to generate us information. It's just going through the various HTML elements, pulling out text. We'll wait till the end of when it finishes doing that. It's taking a little while, but yeah, basically you get the idea. This is the site to use if you want to scrape the internet to get information, to generate leads for your business, all that kind of thing. It can be integrated with, as I said earlier, any automation platform you use. So you could automate like scraping Google Maps for a load of leads and inputting all that information into a Google Doc or Google Sheets. You better do that quite easily using a platform like Make. And hopefully that's helpful. Thanks very much for watching.